everyone. My name is Saif Farid. I'm one of the founders at Fusion Solutions. Over the past few years, we have seen a rise in the implementation of various financial technologies to help Egypt turn into a cashless society. Although we've seen some success with the implementation of these technologies, a truly cashless society cannot be formed because the current products are only are not targeted towards minors, which means a third of the population is being left out. This means that businesses that cater specifically to this younger demographic will be unable to go cashless. This is mainly due to them not having the proper infrastructure to do so. So this is where Fusion comes in. We are a tech company that will enable people to pay for goods and services using their biometrics, which we link to a prepaid account. We aim to implement this technology within closed communities, such as schools, clubs, and even nurseries. However, in our stage 1 plan, we're mainly focusing on educational establishments and more specifically catering facilities. The main reason for this is because they have a more confined population, which will allow us to slowly develop the technology so it's ready for a larger scale deployment. So cash-dependent businesses on average lose about 5 to 8% of their revenue due to cash handling operations. They also experience operational bottlenecks due to increased queuing times, as well as not having access to data to help them monitor their business performance, as well as manage their inventory, which may result in them having reduced efficiency in how they operate their business. So by implementing our solution, we can help them overcome all of these issues, as well as provide a more hygienic service, as we eliminate the need for hand-to-hand cash transfer, as well as making sure that the authentication process is completely contactless. So students will not need to touch any surfaces to authenticate themselves. So to use our application, it's fairly simple. We make an account for the student. We register the student's biometrics, and we link their biometrics with their account. Once the link is made, the student is free to purchase whatever they want from the catering facility by simply waving their hand over the sensor, and the transaction should go through, provided that they have enough credit. So we believe the market size in Egypt to be fairly lucrative. We will be mainly targeting high-end educational establishments. We estimate that to be about 10 million students in our total market size. Assuming a 10 to 20% penetration rate, this gives us 1 to 2 million students in our target market, yielding an estimated market valuation of approximately $7.5 million annually. So over the past year, we have been developing our product to turn catering facilities cashless. However, to increase our value proposition to our customers, we managed to use our technology to create a full identity management system solution for the schools. We are currently in late-stage negotiations with 2 educational establishments. We hope to increase our customer portfolio by 3 to 5 schools by next January. And then we aim to capitalize on the unlimited potential our identification technology has to implement it into various industries, such as banking, healthcare, and security systems. And we're currently in negotiations with various government officials to see how we can start implementing our product into those sectors. So our current competitors are companies that provide wearable devices to help students pay for school meals, as well as identify themselves. Our main competitive advantages is that we are more secure because students will not be able to lose their biometrics. However, they will be able to lose their wearable devices. As a result of this, we can provide a much more friendlier user experience because students will not have to keep worrying about carrying a piece of plastic with them all the time. So our revenue generation model is fairly simple. We generate revenue through 2 streams. The first one being an installation fee of 15,000 LE per computer we install our services on, as well as a transaction fee of 3.5% and 3 LE, which is applied per top-up that happens on our mobile web app. The Fusion team has a cumulative experience of about 15 years. The roles are split where myself, Mohammed Al-Fiqi, and Omar Shiri are handling the business and management side of the startup, while Michael Hanna and Mohammed Al-Bakri are more hands-on with the technical aspects. So in order for us to be able to achieve our goals, we're currently asking for $50,000. This will enable us to build the necessary hardware inventory, recruit the necessary support staff, and help us further develop the product, as well as cover any unexpected costs. The bulk of this investment will be spent on recruiting the necessary staff and getting the necessary hardware so we can send it out to our customers. Thank you very much.